This is Chris Wooten with Wooten Injury Law in Huntsville, Alabama. Today we're here to answer the question, what is mediation? This is a term that attorneys use a lot and that folks may hear on TV or in the news and wonder what exactly is involved. And a lot of times people hear mediation and arbitration and aren't sure about what the difference is between those two things, although they are both what's called forms of alternative dispute resolution, which means a way to resolve a legal case in an alternative to a trial. Mediation can be used in any kind of case, whether it's a personal injury case, an employment case, a business dispute, or even divorce proceedings. A mediation is when both sides sit down with a neutral party, usually a respected attorney, potentially a retired judge, and that neutral party goes back and forth between both sides to help them work out their differences and see if they can help push both sides towards some kind of resolution or settlement. That's different from an arbitration, which is a private trial. Sometimes you hear about people signing an arbitration agreement where instead of going to a trial in front of a judge and jury, instead they're forced to have a private trial in front of an arbitrator who is subject to no one and is unappealable, and you don't have the kind of judgment you would have if there is a jury of citizens and an elected judge hearing the case. So an arbitration is very, very different. In an arbitration, the arbitrator tells you what to do. They make a judgment in your case. In a mediation, the mediator is a neutral party. They can't make anyone do anything, but they try and work with both sides in order to help both sides come together and reach some sort of settlement agreement in order to resolve their legal case in a method that is an alternate to the trouble and expense, or that is an alternative to the trouble and expense of actually going to trial. So if you're in a situation where you have a legal dispute that you think mediation may be something that could be of help in order to work out the case, you should talk to an attorney and find out whether that could be an option for you.